So what's up my people, it's your voice we can get once again with another update. So today's video is about this particular project called AI Trader, and as you can see in the screen, AI Trader claims to be a new era of artificial intelligence available to everyone. AI Trader is your intelligent partner for a smart trading and safe and simpler investment experience and every other thing. So I will break it down for you guys right now. I'm reading this thing out from their white paper, and as you can see in their white paper, they explain a lot of things about the project, like the presentation, welcome to the trader and other things. So you can see what they say, that is their vision and other things. So we can go ahead and see how their platform works. So their platform works with a reel. So robot 1 is going to be giving you the one of 0.2.7% daily real minimum investment is 12, 20 and other things. Capital after 24 hours. You can see the second one. This one is 3.2 real daily. So what you have to do first is to follow the link in the description of this video to sign up here, and then enter your username, your email, select your country like this, and then enter your password, your phone number, confirm the password, and don't worry, the referral code is going to be there automatically. And once you're done, hit up sign up. And once you're done signing up, what you have to do is to go over to your login section and log in with your details, and it's going to come, your account is going to look like this. So they're going to give you $1 as a sign-up bonus and other things. So what you have to do now is to go ahead and see how the platform works. Remember, always do your own research, because I'm not in any way a financial advisor. So this is how the platform works, and if you click on this three-dotted line icon over here, you will see everything that follows it. So you can see how you see the deposit section, the price, the portfolio pricing, the investment, withdrawal, transaction, partner, rank and bonus, profile, security, wallet, and other things that follows it. So all you have to do is to first of all go over to the portfolio pricing to actually know how much is going to be costing you. So as you can see, the robot 1 is going to be giving you 2.7% in after 24 hours of investing in it. Remember, this is an investment platform, and the minimum investment is $1. So I think there is a calculator here where you will calculate, and depending on the particular robot you want to invest in. So the robot 1 is going to, minimum of investment in it is $1, giving you 2.7% of it every single day after 24 hours. The robot 2, which is the profit AI, is going to be giving you 3.2% every single day, and minimum investment in it is $200. So what you have to do is to select the particular robot you want to do. So be it the first robot or second robot. So let's use the second robot as an example. So second robot, you will want to select it, you go over the profit calculator and then enter. So since second robot is $200, you enter $200, and in after 24 hours it's going to be giving you $6.4 as a bonus, extra bonus, accompanied with your capital. So for those of you that will go for the first robot, which is the minimum, and you can invest any amount of it, be it $1, you can use it to earn. So click on it, then enter the amount of USDT which you want to do. So for me, I'm going to try with $1, which is what I'm having on my account, and then I will click on this particular place that says purchase, and after loading up a bit, you see that I have successfully purchased the $1 plan. So if you click on this three-dotted line icon over here and click on my investment, it's going to bring out, take you over to wherever your investment is, and you will see that the one that is in progress for me now is this particular robot 1, which I use $1, and the reward is going to be 0.02. that is just for the testing. So once it's completed, it's going to come back to this particular place that says completed. So this is how the project works. So let's go over to the next section, which is the deposit and withdrawal. So for you to deposit, click on this three-dotted line icon over here like this, and you will see the where they ask you for deposit money. So if you click on it, it's going to ask you to set your withdrawal address before depositing. So click on go to wallet, and then enter your withdrawal address, which you can get from anywhere. So for this, I'm going to use my Trust Wallet, one of my Trust Wallet USDT wallet address, and make sure that it is TLC20 or ERC20, that is Tron network or Ethereum network. So what you have to do is to copy out the USDT wallet address and head back to the site. and all you have to do is to enter the wallet address here which the platform asks you to enter your wallet address, and make sure you enter your password. And once I'm done with it, click on update and it's going to load up a bit. And as you can see now, I have set my wallet address successfully. So what I have to do now is to go back to the deposit section and click on deposit money. So it's going to ask you TLC 20 USDT, and automatically the system is going to give you a one-time payment wallet address. So copy it and deposit any amount that is suitable for you and you can easily afford to lose it. Remember, you deposit and invest what you can easily afford to use. So copy it and head over to wherever you can get the USDT, TLC 20 USDT, and then invest in the section. So this is about the deposit section. So about withdrawal, once your Rio have given you profit, so what you have to do is to go over to the withdrawal section over here, and let's see how it will go. So you have to place your available withdrawal and then enter the amount. The network is going to be TLC 20, remember that. And that is it for the withdrawal. So another one is to go over and know how to earn more by referrals. So if you can click on this particular place that says partners, and it's going to take you over to where you will see your referral link and also how your teammates are doing. So what you have to do is to copy your referral link over here and go ahead and invite anybody that you think you can invite and earn, and you'll be earning from level 1 to level 3 in your referral system over in this particular system. So that is all, and this is all for now in this particular video about this particular project. So my next video about it is going to be more of withdrawals for it. So for now, I hope you guys got value from it and remain profitable. Remember, I'm not in any way financial advisor. I'm just a guy promoting what I think that is good for me and something I found online that other people are doing. So whatever you want to do, remember that this is crypto space and anything can happen. Invest what you can easily afford to lose and remain profitable. My name still remains Wiking, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.